This next song is something I hope, I guess, inspired how the song came to be. Later on, after the original version came out, covered this song 2 times more again. This song is something that Jack Johnson wrote for his father. Some years back, Jack's father and a close bunch of friends, they were avid sailors. They would sail across the Pacific Ocean, down into the South Pacific. And one particular time, they sailed to the island of Molokai. So a bunch of the kids piled on the boat, and Jack loaded his surfboard. They come across Molokai into Halawa Valley, parked the vessel and took a dinghy to shore and set up camp. And like right about now, just about now, during dusk, he paddled out into the surf. And kind of like what happened last week, when you're out by the ocean, probably on the south side, like he was then. Over to the west, the sun was setting in the horizon. At the same time, the moon was rising in the east. And so he looked back on shore, and some kids were skipping stones. And the way he tells me, the song kind of wrote itself. After surfing, he would go in and stoke the fire. And his father laid all of them on the beach, lying down, facing up towards the sky. He would explain all the different formations of the constellations in the sky. And if some of you understand the surf and the weather pattern, when the west winds blow, kind of like Kona, but mostly west, there's times when you're on the windward side, you like it because the surf's nice, but then it lasts kind of a little too long because it blows stuff all over the place. There's a verse in the song where he says, the west winds often last too long, and when they calm down, nothing ever feels the same. So this song he wrote for his father Jeff, for the constellations in the sky. A song called Constellations. Well, I believe in the West is blue. The children, laughter, sang, skipping as like stones that they threw. The voices echoed across the way. It's getting late. It was just another night with the sunset and the moonrise, not so far behind. Give us just enough light to lay down underneath the stars. Listen to all the translation over stories across the sky that drew our own constellation. And when they calm down, nothing ever feels the same. Sheltered under the Kamani tree, waiting for the passing rain. The clouds keep moving to uncover the sea. The stars above us chasing the day away to find stories that we sometimes need. Listen close enough and all else fades. fades away. It was just another night with the sunset and the moonrise, not so far behind. Give us just enough light to lay down underneath the stars. Listen to Papa's translation of the stories across the sky. We drew our own constellation. Jack Johnson music.
Wow! Big round of applause for Kavika Kahiapo. Meron naman sila, Hanaho.